Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: valid Discord account, server permissions, and either the built-in TTS enabled or a trusted TTS bot added. Once done, open server settings and enable text-to-speech or invite the bot with proper OAuth scopes. Make sure to give the bot read messages, send messages, and connect/speak if voice output is needed. This initial setup is crucial because missing permissions are the most common blocker. Get them right, and you'll avoid wasted troubleshooting later. Next, configure the voice settings and test. If using a TTS bot, pick the voice, language, and speed. If using Discord's built-in TTS, check your accessibility settings and volume. Then join the target voice channel or enable text-to-speech in the text channel and send a concise test line. Listen for clarity, pacing, and pronunciation. Once you confirm acceptable audio, tweak volume or speed to fit the channel. These adjustments matter because they determine listener comfort and message comprehension. To finish, train your team on the exact commands or prefixes to trigger TTS and set channel rules so messages aren't abused. Make sure automated roles can still access the bot. If audio fails, first verify permissions, confirm the bot is online, and check your network latency. Often a restart fixes transient issues. If problems persist, capture a sample test message and compare settings or swap voices. That sample accelerates debugging and helps you restore reliable TTS quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.